Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Code 369. Our motto is to learn by doing. How to learn by doing? We will be having the sample projects and we will be creating code in order to achieve the sample project. Okay. First itself you will be seeing the output. So you will be getting a clear picture of what you are going to do. By having the answer you are going to write the question. That's it. So you will be learning better. This today's topic is CSS padding. Okay, this is full stack development course class 30. From next slide you will learn how to learn. The man who asks a question is a fool for a minute. The man who does not ask is a fool for life. So Einstein also says question everything. Okay, so whenever you see anything, just ask questions, as many questions as possible until you get cleared. That is the only way of becoming a genius. If you don't ask question, you will not get answers. In this lectures also, okay, why to use development? So how to use paragraph element? Why this is applied here? Like that, you can ask a number of questions. Learning is an active process. We learn by doing. Only knowledge that is used sticks in your mind. So do much, okay? Only by doing you will be learning. If you are not doing, you cannot learn. How can we apply this to our class? Just do coding along with me, okay? Every line, whenever I complete every line, you just code along with me. By that you can understand the concepts very easily. Line by line coding. I am saying line by line coding. By the end of the program, you will be learning the program completely. I am not just saying you to copy the program that I am writing, but after ensuring that you have understood the concept, write your code. That's what I am saying. If you want to master something, teach it. It will be applied to any field. Okay, if you want to master something, teach it. That is what Feynman says. So you can be asking to whom I will be teaching. You don't need any physical person in order to teach. You can just teach yourself. Okay, ask yourself questions and try to explain it to yourself. By that you will be learning easily. Prerequisites: install VS Code and its extensions, create folder and open folder, create HTML file, and to do all these things I have given links in the description box. And today's project is padding. So how to do padding? And this two boxes, okay, this first box is padding, the second box is padding. How to do this? First of all, just copy. Okay, before getting into coding, just let us understand what this project is. Now you can see a text here and you are seeing a border here, and now you can see a space here. Okay, text is there, around the text there is space, and after that space there is border. Okay, this is called padding. Simply saying there will be text, there will be border, but there will be a space between the text and the border. That's what called as padding. How to do that? Just copy this and give it as a heading in your new project file. I have created a new project file, project c3.html, and .html is very important. And here you can see I have selected the language mode as HTML. This is also important. Now construct the base structure HTML:5 and press enter. This is called the base structure. If you want to know about base structure and the basic elements of HTML, like open tag, close tag, everything, you can see the link in the description box. I have given a video on that. Okay, delete this is not necessary. Delete this is also not necessary. And give title of the web page as padding. Okay, you can give any title, just give padding for the web page. Next thing, I am going to give heading using h3. Press enter. I am going to insert that heading. Okay, now what the heading says, insert a box. How to do that? First of all, we have to create a class here. Class equal to padding, and I am going to represent this. We have to create development for paragraph for box, okay, and not a heading. I'm going to insert development here, dev, enter, and I'm going to represent this development using a class equal to padding, and I'm going to represent this development using the class name in the style element, style enter. This style element is used to give styles to the HTML file using CSS. And how to represent this development? Just give dot padding. Okay, in order to represent a class, you have to give dot padding. Okay, dot class name. Open and close curly braces. Now we have to insert a box. How to insert a box? So what are the parameters that a box will be having? Height and width. Okay, so give height colon 250 pixel semicolon. Next width that we'll be having, so we give width 500 pixel and give semicolon. Next thing, a box will be having a border. Okay, not only I have given add border color, but not only it will be having a border color, but also it will be having border style and border width. I'm doing it using shorthand. Okay, give border colon. Now we can give border style as dashed, border width as 5 pixel, and border color as orange. Orange red you can give semicolon at the end. This is called as border shorthand. We have done a video on this before itself. Okay, you can see that. Next thing, add a paragraph into it. We have to add a paragraph into it. Okay, how to do that? Inside development, we should add the paragraph. Give lorem, enter. You will be having a paragraph. Then press Ctrl S and go back to your web page and see how it works. Project C3 is my file. Double click on it, and you are seeing a paragraph here and the border covering it. But it is not like this. A space surrounding the text. Okay. Here we are not having no space between the text and the border. So how to insert space? That is the use of padding. Okay, that is called as padding. So type padding colon 60 pixel. You can give any value, just giving 60 pixel. Press Ctrl S, go back and reload. Ctrl R. You are seeing space here. Okay. Here you can see equal space. Okay, equal space on the 4 sides. You may be asking, there is a lot of space in the bottom, because we have allocated the height. Okay, we have allocated to the height. When you insert many text, like you can insert it and see. Okay, you just copy this, Alt Shift down arrow, press Ctrl S, Ctrl R. And again Ctrl Shift down arrow, press Ctrl S, Ctrl R, and again press Alt Shift down arrow, press Ctrl S, plus Ctrl R, and Alt Shift down arrow, press Ctrl S, press Ctrl R. But the padding goes. Now let us add one more paragraph and see what will happen. Alt Shift down arrow, press Ctrl S and press Ctrl R. It goes beyond the paragraph. Okay, it goes beyond the paragraph. This is called as overflow, and you cannot do anything with that. But you can use overflow options. Okay, that's what the use of overflow option is. Let me show you what overflow is. Okay, we have not made video on overflow. Upcoming videos we will be doing that. Let me show you what is overflow. Control. Here you can see overflow. This is called as overflow visible. This is W3 School's website. Here this is called as overflow. Okay, going out of the box. In order to fix this, what we will be doing is overflow hidden. Okay, it will be hidden inside the box itself. Here overflow scroll. Okay, when the text is overflowing, we can enable scroll here, and we can use the scroll, and we can see the things. Okay, things which are overflowing. This is called overflow. Just know it. We will be seeing in the upcoming videos. We will be doing projects on that. Now close this. So what you can understand is you cannot control this. Okay, you cannot control the bottom side of padding. Press Ctrl S. Sorry. Press Ctrl S. Reload. Reload. So what you can understand from this is you cannot control the bottom side of the padding. Okay, only if you have enabled overflow option you can control it. The same space left here will be left here also. Otherwise you cannot do padding for the bottom side. So you have to learn overflow, and we will be doing it in the upcoming videos. Now let us go to the next, because we have completed the first. Next, copy this heading. Before copying the heading, just we have to know what is the concept. Here we can see a paragraph, and we have a border, and a space is inserted between a paragraph and the border. Okay, but what is the difference between this and the second? Here we can see equally distributed the space. Okay, top, right, bottom, left. Leave this bottom, already I have told. But here you can see in the top there is a lot of space, and in the left and right there is no space left here. Okay, so how to do this? But in order to do this, we can give individual padding to 4 sides. Okay, to the top we can assign a spacing value, and to the right we can assign a spacing value. Like that we can do for all the 4 sides. How to do that? Just copy this heading and create another development. Actually we will be having all the things same. Okay, let me insert this heading, h3, enter this heading. Here you can see use different class name. Okay, here you can use different class name and add same properties like above. And create a table. I have given it mistakenly. I have given create a box. This is create a box, but change the padding individually for 4 sides. Okay, individually for 4 sides. Give padding. That's what, for top, right, bottom, and left. How to do that? Just copy all these things, paste here. Now you have to change the class, because you are going to represent different development. Here you represented a development, and here you are going to represent another development. So change the class name. Then what we are going to do? Just go and represent this. Here also you can copy all the things. Okay, Alt Shift down arrow. But only thing is you have to change the class name. And height will be same, width will be same, border will be same, padding only will be differing. Here we have given padding as 60 pixel. So for all the 4 sides, the padding will be 60 pixel. Now we are going to change this. Okay, 15 pixel for the top and 30 pixel for the right, 15 pixel for the left, and 15 pixel for the bottom. Oh, sorry, I have done a mistake. This 15 pixel is for top, this 30 pixel is for right, 15 pixel is for bottom, and 13 pixel will be for left. It will be moving in a clockwise direction. Okay, first that will be top, and moving clockwise. The second will be right, the third will be bottom, and the fourth will be left. It will be moving in a clockwise direction. Now press Ctrl S, go back to your web page, press Ctrl R. Actually some mistake I have done, so what is that? Let us see. Here you can see dot padding 1. Here I did not change the padding. I have changed the padding. But what happened here? Height, width, here. Actually this curly brace should come here. And here a curly brace should come. Press Ctrl S, go back and reload. Now you can see, okay. For left and right, we have to increase the spacing in order to show it effectively. Give it this as 50 pixel for the right and the left. 50. Press Ctrl S, go back, reload. Okay, you can see a lot of space here. For the left and right, you can see a lot of space. Increase some more amount, like 100, what will happen? Press Ctrl S, go back, reload. Now you can see more space left here. Okay. For the top, I gave very small amount of spacing, like 15 pixel, and for the left and right, I have given more space. Okay. This is called as individually giving padding. Okay, individual sides, for we are giving padding for individual sides. This is what individual padding is. So this is what our padding project is. Moving next, this is called margin. We will be doing it in the upcoming videos. So today's project is over, my friends. Let us go to the assignment. Complete the sample project along with me, okay? Simultaneously listen to the video and also do the same project, okay? I have told it before itself. I hope you will be doing it. So all the best, and thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for watching this video. Let us see in the upcoming videos, my friends. Please subscribe me. Thank you.